Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
Could be anything. So whenever you call an HTTP GET method, this function will trigger. Now what we are doing in this. When we are calling this GET method, we are passing two parameters, record type and ID. Okay. I'll show you how to through Postman, how to pass parameters. We are passing record type and ID. So it will give us a response that will give us an object back. So what we are doing here, we are just loading that record with the record type and ID, what we are passing in the parameter. So this context parameter will capture both of these record type and ID. And we are loading that record and returning it to the JSON format. So you'll get object structure in JSON format. That is the response in GET method, which is very simple, just respond. Now on the post part, what we are doing. We are setting field value. For a particular field which is passed in a parameter. So we have in the parameter what we are passing. We are passing record type. Record. Yeah. So we are okay. Sorry. Not yeah. So we are creating a record in post, the record create. We can do the same operation in put as well, which is for create and post, is for create and update both. So record create. The record type is coming as a parameter, and the field name which we need, for which we need to set value, is also coming in a parameter. And then we are saving it and returning the record ID. The internal ID which is generated. So let's say, if I say record type is customer, and I provide all the field names, whichever value I have for which I need to set the value. So field name, field value. So which this piece of code will create that particular record. Yeah, we have got the access token generated, everything. I'll come to customization scripting scripts. We have RESTlet. So after getting the token, only we have to prepare the script. No, token is a separate thing. You don't have to. So token is needed. When you want to test it, you can create a script. It won't stop you from creating that script. Good token is just to integrate it with any other application. So this part is clear, right? This is same. You come in, put the script in file cabinet. This record will be created. The thing is about deployment. So when you create a deployment here, you give the name and then this ID, right? And then you say deployed and status is released again. And then you have separate log level. And then this is the same audience thing. So as soon as you save it, you'll get a URL and you'll get an external URL, similar to what we get in Suitelet also, right? Now Suitelet. External URL will only come when you check this. Available without login checkbox. Otherwise you'll have only URL. In case of RESTlet, you'll get the external URL. So this is the URL which we need to use from Postman. Now I will
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.